guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Naya. Don't mind my lace, I didn't free spray it down over there. Oh well. Today I'm going to be very late coming to you with a full Fenty face. I already did my brows and set my eyes and put on my eyelashes off camera. But yes, if y'all want to see this look that I hope is about to give, let's get into the video. I kind of feel like y'all already sick of me because I only did one story time, 2 makeup, and my eyelashes looking really dumb right now. I mean, I do makeup. I don't know. I would do like a wig tutorial or something, but I'm not going to the hair store with Corona, so I just been buying wigs. I did not make this. I did put the highlights in it though, and I ombre the ends. But if y'all are bored already or anything, just put some suggestions in the comments or DM me on Instagram. If you follow me on Instagram, you can follow me at IVXIII. Like, I have a lot of ideas, but I don't know if y'all are gonna like all of them. Hopefully y'all do. And also, I wanted to talk about what should I call my subscribers. Like, I know I don't have a lot, but I really do love the support that I'm getting so far, and I feel like I want to call y'all something. I don't know what's going on with my nose. It's been like this for a couple days. I don't know what that line is. We're just gonna ignore it. So my last name, I have 2 last names. It's Harris Rose, but Harris is like weird for a YouTube channel, so I decided to go with the Rose. So that's where the Naya Rose comes from, and I'm not really creative, so I couldn't think of anything else. But I'm trying to figure out like what I want to call y'all. Like, I kind of want to say hey rosebuds, but I feel like that's cringe, but like a cute cringe. I really don't like how my lash looks right here. Like, what is this? Or like, I could call y'all roses, but like, no. If anyone has any ideas, just leave it in the comment section below, please, because I really don't know. Chill. But yeah, I'm really late getting all this Fenty stuff because when she first came out, I did not have a job. I was still in high school, or I was like just now starting college, and I did not have a job or money. I'm just now getting on the game, getting to the game. But last year, or no, for Halloween, yeah, I had got the Fenty like matte, soft matte foundation, but like it's not my shade. Like, I know in the bottle it looked weird. I got the shade 400 because like with the old foundation I had, which was my summer shade if I went outside, because as you can see, I'm very light skinned right now because I haven't been outside. But my summer shade, I did the little quiz finder and they said 400, but it looks orange and I don't do orange. But with my Too Faced foundation, which is the one I've been wearing, I just did the shade finder with that, and they said, oh, I also got the hydrating foundation this time because I just wanted to try it. Like, I know I have oily skin just in my T-zone, but like around my mouth is really dry. Like, even right now it's dry. I be wanting to put Blistex around there. I do it sometimes because it just be so dry. I don't know if I got eczema or something, but I got the hydrating primer and I have the True Matte primer, and put the True Matte primer on my forehead and nose, and then the hydrating primer around my mouth and everywhere else. But I'm also still going to use my NYX pore filler primer because I hate my face and you can see my pores. So yeah. Since I don't have any of her eyeshadows, I'm just gonna use my Fenty Beauty bronzer in the shade Cocoa Naughty because I saw this girl do like this natural beat. She even put the bronzer in her eyelid crease and it looked really nice, and it just made the whole face like just all look bronzed and just good. Like, it was here, then she did it down her nose as her contour, and then right here, and it just looks so good. So I'm just gonna do the same, and I'm just gonna put it on my eyelids, but I don't know if I'm gonna do it on my whole eye or not. Hopefully it looks good. I feel like it's not even really looking like anything, or it's going to be more brown than anything else. I think I'm just going to put it in my crease. It looks reddish in the mirror, but in my phone it looks brown. And I'm just going to leave my eyelid how it is. It's looking like something, just, we'll see. I don't have no eyeshadow from Fenty right now, so that's what I got these sponges from Rihanna too. I'm guessing this is, no it is, this is the foundation sponge. And then I got these precision mini sponges. I'm kind of confused about the shapes and like what this part is. Okay, so let me tell this. I got two foundations because I didn't know what my shade was. This actually kind of looks more like my shade. This looks kind of orange. I mean, this is a little light, but with how I am right now from not being outside, I could probably get away with this. But I actually already tried them on and they both looked fine, so I really don't know what to do. But I think I'm just gonna do what I did in my last video and just use 390, which they said is my perfect match from my Too Faced foundation, and then just put a few dots of the light one and mix it. Yeah, two of each. One on my forehead though, because in my chin, because we don't need that much. Okay, and 385. Like on camera it looks like it's my shade, just regular, but in here it looks orange, like it's giving orange. And then we just use the more neutral one that's lighter, but it's fine because it blended out nicely last time. And then a little bit on the chin, and I have a pimple on my chin, even though I'm taking precautions and washing my face. Like, I still did not color correct. Am I dumb? I must be dumb. Jesus Christ. Hopefully I can just get a little bit of this everywhere and it'll be fine. And it looks like my skin on camera. Okay, cool. But next summer, I won't be able to do 385. Well, if Corona's not around, which I'm sure it will still be. I'm done with that. It's a little orange still in the camera, I mean in the mirror, but I think it looks like my skin on camera, and I like how it looks glowy. I said that already. So now I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty Instant Retouch Concealer. I got the shade 370. I wasn't gonna get the shade that corresponds because it's not gonna be like light. I'm just gonna, I really don't know if I should use a lot because I'm scared, but because this is lighter than Fawn, which is my favorite color in concealer. Okay, I put way too much concealer on top of my lip and I did not like how it looked. That's why I look angry. So just ignore that. It's gonna work out in the end. I'm not gonna lie, getting this all blended out and looking nice was very hard because that concealer was like a shade lighter than the regular concealer I usually use, so I've never used a lighter concealer to really highlight, so it was looking crazy, but I got it together in the end. I don't know, like in person it's kind of like weird, I don't know, but I do like how it looks on camera. So I'm actually not going to use the Fenty Beauty powder because I already tried it out, and a lot of people have said that it doesn't really go well with the concealer, which is weird because your things are supposed to like coexist. I don't know what I'm saying. So I'm just gonna save this for when I do that shadow down there, and I'm just gonna use I think I'll use the Maybelline Fit Me powder and go under the eyes. I think I want to use banana powder because this concealer is light and this powder is more like my skin color, not a concealer setting, whatever. But I hope it's not giving ashy. This is given. I like this so far. Now I'm just gonna go in with cashew. I'm gonna go in around my whole face with cashew, but I'm gonna still dust it off because yeah. So I'm just doing everywhere that I did not conceal. I'm seeing something here, I don't know. So now I'm just gonna go in with my Cocoa Naughty bronzer. I'm probably just tripping, but my face looked way better in person. Like, the concealer just looked super bright because of my bright lights. If it looks bad, because I don't know. It kind of looks good now that I'm watching it, but like, it's just a line of demarcation where you can see the lightness and brightness of that concealer. But I promise it looked good in person. Like, if I could do this and go out, I would do it because it was giving. And I am hoping that after a while, I don't look like a ghost. I mean, a chicken. Because the last time I tried a hydrating foundation, when I first started doing my makeup, this freaking mosquito, I looked like a chicken from Popeyes. So yeah, I'll go in with this so that I can just contour my nose. I never do that because I like my nose, but whatever. I feel like my phone got brighter or something because now I look ashy, but I'm not ashy in person. Maybe I just need to. So when you contour your nose, you just want to start like at the brow with the bronzer and then just go down a little bit to give it that like shadow. I learned this from Jackie Aina. And you see how I just contoured it? And I'll just take it down a little more. But we're not gonna go overboard.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
And I went overboard anyway, so I'm just gonna get that off with a sponge. Well, tone it down. I don't have a blush by her, but I'm just gonna use my favorite one, which is the Kylie one. Okay, it's giving. I look good. You don't want to put too much on your nose because then you'll look a little sick, so. And now I'm gonna go in with my newest Fenty Beauty highlighter. I was using the Hustler Baby one, which is my fave, but this one is Ginger Binge / Moscow Mule, the Kilowatt Freestyle highlighter. I think I'm gonna use this one, so I guess I'll do subtle today. I usually just use like gold, but wow, this looks really pretty. I really like that. I need to tone it down. I need to tone this blush down first of all. I think I look really pink. But like, I don't hate it. It's just really pink right there. It's very, wow, that was gaudy. This is gaudy over here. I'm just gonna tone that down with the foundation. Maybe it wasn't a good idea to use the pink blush and the pink highlight together because it's a little pink, but it's fine. I'm just gonna take the bronzer and go underneath my eyes because, yeah. Okay. Now I'm gonna go in with the Hustler Baby highlight on the inner corners. Maybe that was too bright. No, there's nothing. There's no such thing as too bright. It's giving. Like, it looks good in person. It just looks pink. Like, it's fine though. I'm just gonna... I don't think Rihanna has a setting spray. If she does, I don't have it. Okay, I actually like how this looks. And then of course, I'm gonna go in with my... I don't know where the micellar water is, so I'm just gonna wipe that off my lips. Let me highlight my Cupid's bow. I'm just gonna use the more glittery one right there. And of course, my brown Makeup by Shayla pencil that I can't seem to find. Oh, thank you. Oh, right. My favorite thing to do, go in my waterline with a white eyeliner. This needs to be sharpened because it is so hard on my lips, but hopefully. Because we have so much pink going on, I'm just going to use the brown. Or maybe I'll use the original. I haven't used it in a while. This used to be my favorite one. I'm actually not liking that my mustache is not covered. I feel like every time I wear this wig, my mustache just has to show. I don't know. Okay guys, that was the end of the Fenty full face. The only thing I'm not liking is my blush. I just dipped it in too much. But the face is giving. So yeah. As always, I put too much highlight and I don't know what that line of demarcation is. But I like it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed my very late Fenty full face challenge. Thanks for watching, and please give me some suggestions of what you guys want to see me doing so that I'm not only doing makeup and story times. That's all I know. If you like this video and want some more content, like and subscribe and hit the little bell so you get all of my videos. And that's all we have for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Cut the cameras. Dead ass.